So whenever you turn on your OpenRun Pro or check the battery, a voice prompt will speak to you.
電池媒介 Battery medium
You can change this notification language sound on your OpenRun Pro 2 Mini in two different ways. So first of all, you can change it directly from the device itself. Make sure your headphone is powered off. Now, just press and hold over this power and volume up button till it starts flashing blue and red LED. Now, at your left side of the pad, there is this multifunction button. And if you quickly double press it, with every double press, it will switch the language from the defaultly set English to Korean, Japanese, and Chinese, and lastly back to English again. You'll feel a vibration, and if you're wearing them, you will hear a beep. But if you're using the Shokz app, you can change the language with the app, which is quite easier. So let's open the app. Just make sure the headphones are connected. Tap on this wheel icon, then go to Settings, to Prompt Settings. And as I told you, 4 languages are available for it, including English. The other 3 are Japanese, Chinese, and Korean. And you can switch the language from here as well, according to your preference, along with the sound prompt volume. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.